Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to paint these beautiful tulips on a black notebook cover using acrylic paint. So this is very beginner friendly painting, so if you're just starting, don't worry, you can easily follow along. Grab your paints, brush, and let's create a beautiful painting together. The notebook was not black originally, so the first step is to cover the entire cover with black acrylic paints. I applied one coat first, let it dry completely, and then second coat for a smooth solid finish. The black background will make the flowers stand out beautifully. Now the black part is completely done. Now I'm mixing some green colors to get the complete green shade. So now the black base is completely dry. I'm starting with the grass using different shade of green. I paint long curved stalks from the bottom upward. I overlap the stalks and vary their lengths to make the grass look more natural and full. Just repeat the process I am doing, so you will get the grass natural and look more realistic. Next come my favorite part, the tulips. I am using pink, white and a little white to create a soft colorful flower. Each tulip is made with simple brush stroke, so don't worry about making them perfect. Mix lighter and darker shades, add depth and make the flowers look more realistic.